Page 57, dance. The top of the page, they're introducing you to a new time signature, because we've had 4/4 forever. I think we had 3/4 once somewhere on there. But this is 2/4. We only have to count to 2. So there's only 2 beats in a measure, and a quarter note gets a beat. So there's the equivalent of 2 quarter notes in a measure. If you look at it, that's what it looks like. Then they're also introducing you to a new speed, allegretto. Allegretto is sort of fast. We get this moderately a lot, don't we? I consider allegretto the fun speed. If I want to play something in a fun way, it's allegretto. It's faster than moderato, it's faster than a medium speed, but it's slower than fast. It's sort of fast. You have to decide. It's a range of things, a feeling. What do you feel is a fun thing? People won't agree on exactly how fast it is. It has no exact speed. It's how do you feel? In the morning you may feel at one speed, in the evening you'll feel at a different speed. That's fine. We have our staccatos again all over the place, and this time I'd like to try a different technique. Rather than finger, let's use what's known as a wrist or hand staccato, and that's where you're simply hinging at the wrist and you're using the whole hand to do it. So it's boom, boom, boom. Now, you don't start high and come down and go back up. You start on the key and you're just hitting it, you're pushing it down and bouncing off. And that's the staccato. This works well for loud pieces because you can't see it well from up above. I'm doing this. And it works for chords because you can't use finger staccato for chords because there's 2 notes involved. You have to use the wrist, so you're bouncing it. It's on the keys and it goes down and bounces off at the wrist. You're hinging at the wrist. So let's use that on this one. On this. The first line is loud, and that will be the right hand. Keep the left hand sort of loud. We want to hear the right hand, because that's where the melody is. Then the second line is soft. Well, again, that's the melody. Got all these accidentals in there. E flats. Keep the left hand really soft. So don't overpower the right hand here, because it's easy to do on the left hand. It's especially in the second line when it's soft. Keep the left hand really soft. Let's try this out very slowly to double check these notes. Rhythm shouldn't be a problem. It's all quarter notes. Go ahead and put your hands in C position here and here, and we'll play it. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2. Rest. Rest. Let's speed it up a bit, and I'll do the duet part at the bottom, and you can play this. A word of caution on the staccatos, on this wrist thing. Don't get where your arm is moving up and down. Keep your arm still. Just use the wrist for now. I'll talk about the arm thing later. Just right now, get this wrist thing down. So put your hands in C position. I'm going to give us 4 counts, even though there's only 2 beats in the measure, because I want plenty of time to get us ready. 1, 2, ready, go.